Looking for that one sauce that brings everything together? You've got to try this classic Vietnamese dipping sauce called Nouc Cham. This sauce is amazing on spring rolls, fried beef, chicken, noodles, and more. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients. Hi, I'm Sencha. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it perfectly so it becomes your go-to secret in the kitchen. It's quick to make, healthier than the bottled ones, plus you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 4 weeks. Fresh ingredients make all the difference, so always use fresh lime, chili, and garlic when you can. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not boiling. Just stir gently until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add the fresh lime juice. If you follow my measurements, you'll get a nice balance of tangy and sweet, but feel free to taste as you go. If it's too tangy for you, just add a little more sugar to suit your taste. Add 5 tablespoons of fish sauce and adjust if you want it saltier. Stir in minced garlic, chopped chilies, and shredded carrots for crunch and color. If you want less heat, just remove the chili seeds. That keeps the flavor without too much spice. You can also add pickled shallot. It's totally optional, but it adds a lovely sweet and tangy crunch. Now it's ready. I'm adding just 1 coriander leaf on top. It's a simple little touch, but it makes your dish look extra special. Now let's try the spring roll. Take a piece of lettuce, add some coriander, mint, wrap it around the spring roll, and dip it in the sauce. So good. Go ahead and drizzle it all over your noodle bowl. Personally, I love mine completely soaked in this sauce. If you like a little bit of a kick, toss in some fresh chopped chili. I'm gonna give it a taste. Smells good. This sauce seriously takes everything up a notch. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you use this dipping sauce with. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this bowl, check out my video, Vietnamese spring rolls in a bowl. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.